Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. Another bed I'm showing you today, again in teak wood with storage and a very nice heavy carved design. Carving, when we see the entire unit has got nice hand carving on the back as well as the front part, and then we have the cushion in the middle to give it a contemporary look and a comfortable sitting as well. Generally, when you see the whole carving sets, the complete back is carved, you see carving on these areas also. What really happens is when you sit on the bed, you'll have to get a lot of pillows and cushions at the back so the carving doesn't hurt you. Here, when we make the modern designs with the contemporary quilting or this kind of patterns, this area gets very comfortable and you need not have more cushions or be very careful when you are sitting on a bed. The design is altogether again out of a catalog image, and the carving part that you see is the artwork that we do, that we excel in and we are promoting across the globe. Handcrafting or hand carving, as we call it, gives work to a lot of people in our place, and this is the art that we are working on for years now and promoting across the globe. So not just in India, outside India also. Aarsun is an international trademark in 35 countries and we are delivering everywhere. This unit is with storage. So here we have a hydraulic storage. In the side storage, you get the entire area open. So when you're using it, you can put anything, a big suitcase or the stuff that you require, like the pillows or the quilts, and that can be easily accessible when we have it right here in the bed itself. The back height is 6.5 feet and this is a king size bed. King size is 72 by 78 inches, 6 by 6.5 feet. Mattress area, not the bed size but the mattress area, so the inside area and the height of the mattress, the thickness of the mattress, you can decide and let us know, 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches, and accordingly we'll make the storage area up or down so it's very comfortable. You can add bedside tables, or we call it nightstands, ottoman, dressing, TV unit, love settee, whatever you want along with the bed, we can add that. But this one I'm showing you because it has got very nice carvings and gold leafing. This is in matte finish, so if you want real gloss, that can be done. The artwork, the master class of Aarsun. Hope you like it. If you want to see more designs, you can visit our website aarsunwoods.com, or you can check us on YouTube. More than 700 videos to showcase our stuff. Thank you. Dhanyavad.